Page 14, Minuet. There's a lot of minuets in this book. Wow. 3/4 time minuet. No sharps or flats in the key signature. We're in the key of C major. Go do the scale video on C major, at least one octave up and down. Let's check out the notes and the rhythms and the fingerings first. Right hand, I'm just going to play everything connected for now. Third finger. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're just crossing over for one note. Two. And again for measure 8, play that with the thumb. Just cross over. Stay in this position. Whether you repeat or not, you need to be in this position. Let's jump down to the bottom line on measure 13. You're here. 1, 2, because now we have a triplet. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2. So forth. It's very tricky doing that. Now that last measure at the bottom, you're going to repeat that back to measure 9, so you want thumb on that note when you play it. But after you've repeated and you're done, after you cross over, if you want, you can go ahead and play it with third finger if you want, because it doesn't matter, you're done. Or if you still want to play it with thumb, that's fine too. Whichever. Left hand here. There. Let's go down to measure 9. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. So forth. Put the hands together here. The hands are not exactly coordinated here, so be careful because you got different fingers happening here. Here and then here. Measure 9. Something like that. And we can add the slurs. Just lift up in the staccatos or wrist staccato. The left hand, just play it all connected. Here at the end of the first line there on measure 4, I'm going to lift up in the right hand. It's a new phrase. It's like taking a breath, but the left hand I'm going to connect it. I'm not lifting up there, so it's staccato. So in the left hand I'm not lifting up at all if I can help it. It's just the right hand. Measure 9 then is there. Up here, but not on the left hand. So forth. Dynamic wise, that's the melody. It's the right hand. Sort of soft. This left hand has to be very soft. Measure 9, you come up to moderately loud. Moderately loud and moderately soft aren't that far apart. So it's just a little loud. Go back down, it's an echo. And then the last line of measure 13, now you're loud. So forth. You have repeat signs. We're going to do the repeats and all that stuff. And speed-wise, this is kind of middle of the road. It's sort of, and the overall feel of it is middle of the road. It's not fast, it's not slow. Depends on what time of day it is and how much coffee I've had. It says, you want to feel that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. People are going to dance to it. You can't go too slow. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do the dynamics. We will do the repeats. I'll try and do the slurring and staccatos. So I'll give us 3 counts. Let's try it together slowly. 1, ready, go. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. 2, repeat.